So part 3 of closing cost breakdown, we're going to talk about lender fees, government fees, and miscellaneous fees. So your lender does charge for the different processes of approving your loan. So first would be your origination fee, which would cover the processing of the loan application. We have an application fee, and then we have an underwriting fee, which goes to the underwriter, who is the one who reviews and verifies all your financial documentation to make sure that we can approve this loan for you. After that, you may see some discount points. That's only if you have decided you want to buy down your rate. Okay, so that's when you'll see discount points on your closing costs. So if someone's offered you a really low rate, didn't talk to you about discount points, and you see that there on your initial loan estimate, that's what they're charging you for. The other things we have, government fees are determined by what state you're in. So you may have a recording fee or transfer tax there, and that's state-based, okay? So you may not see it, you may. And then we have our miscellaneous ones, which are your HOA fees that may happen. You may have to have an attorney fee, also state-based on if you have to have that. And then if there's any courier fees for moving documents wherever they need to go, that could also be in there. So those are a few more of the breakdowns of some of the costs, and that rounds out my list of costs that would be included in your closing costs. So as you can see, it adds up. So when people are stunned sometimes by the large amount of closing costs, but it includes so much in there for the whole loan process and your prepaid amounts. So yes, it's something you need to save for. If you're getting down payment assistance, be prepared for this closing cost. It's very hard whenever you're not saving for these kind of things ahead of time, because you'll have to find, if you don't have the money for this and you're getting down payment assistance, you would have to get a seller concession to cover this if you don't have the money for it. And right now in a buyer's market, that might be easier to do negotiation wise. But when it's a seller's market, that's usually not going to be the case because we're in a bidding war. So talk to your realtor, save some money now, see where we need to be, and you can contact me, and I can even give you a breakdown of what you'll need to save based on where you're at now to have all of these funds covered.